In a major breakthrough against the illegal narcotics trade, Sonamura police intercepted a massive consignment of cannabis weighing 790 kg. 3 individuals, including a woman, were apprehended during the operation. Acting on precise intelligence regarding a large-scale smuggling attempt, a dedicated team from the Sonamura police station launched a strategic raid. The police managed to track down the suspects and uncover the contraband, which was reportedly being prepared for illegal transport across the border. 790 kilograms of dry cannabis, seized with a market value of several lakhs of rupees. 3 persons were taken into custody, including one female suspect. The officer in charge stated that the department has intensified its war on drugs in the Sipajola district. A case has been registered under the NDPS Act, and the accused are currently being interrogated to trace the larger network and the source of the consignment. Pure report, Chini Khorang.